Hi students, it's Mrs. Irby. This is the week of October 19th, and I just want to give you a brief overview of what we're going to be doing. This week we're going to be talking about the senses, and we're going to start with a essay by Neil deGrasse Tyson called Coming to Our Senses. And you guys know what the five senses are. So in this essay, the importance of science in modern life is key. The role of observation and the understanding that our senses have limits help to enhance our understanding of our world. We're going to literate students, their need for the five senses, and you'll also be able to analyze research and evaluate conclusions. Um, the standards that we're going to hit, you're going to obviously be able to cite textual evidence, determine a central idea and analyze its development, analyze how the author unfolds ideas or events, determine the meaning of words and phrases, analyze how an author's ideas are developed by a particular sentence or paragraphs, determine an author's point of view and analyze how an author uses rhetoric. We can do some writing as well, more of the pearl, but not as much, okay? While reading this article, I want you guys to focus on the key points that are made about technological advances in certain sections of the reading. Also, what key points are made about the five senses, and what central idea do these key points support? So after reading that, we're going to do some things. I have some documents open for you to see. Here are the questions that we're going to go through. There's only like eight of them, or possibly 10 if I added some more on there. This is a questionnaire that we'll do together as a class, and I can't wait to hear your answers. We will also, I had to sneak in this quarter two review for you, so you will be working on that as well. And we're going to be creating a superhero or shero. And I want you to fill all of this stuff in, and then you will draw one as well. So just focusing on our senses. And my favorite question is always, if you could have a superhero power, which one would you have? Would you have the ability to read minds, the ability to fly, stop time? Could you freeze people? What would you do? So easy week, still focusing on the standards, but a fun one. Not as many questions as usual, as long as you guys have participation, which I know you will. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.